Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of GobbledyCook. Today I'm going to be preparing a simple yet delicious mutton preparation. Mutton curry in a hurry, if you will. So see you on the other side of the music. Some of you may already know that I am a Bengali and I hail from Calcutta, and Bengalis love their goat meat. So we have a very typical way of preparing goat curry, and here the goat is slow cooked in a method that is known as koshano, and it often takes several hours to prepare goat this way. And it also takes a little amount of practice to master. Now the curry that I'm going to share with you today, it's actually from the southern part of India. It's from Andhra, and this was the first mutton curry that I had made because not having much experience in cooking at that time, I was looking for a preparation that was simple, that was quick, and most importantly that was failure proof and did not need a lot of expertise. So that's when one of my Telugu roommates gave me this recipe, and I'm so thankful to her because the dish turned out great, and surprisingly it was no less delightful than the Sunday Bengali mutton curry I was used to. Just one quick thing, so I have shown this recipe by making the meat masala, kind of a Hyderabadi meat masala, but if you find that too intimidating, do not worry, just substitute that with 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and the dish will still turn out simply great. Okay, enough with my talking, and let's just get cooking now.